Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the brand new IIIF150 Air3, a rugged smartphone that combines durability and elegance in a surprisingly slim design. Although it's not as sleek as its predecessor, the Air 2 Ultra, the Air 3 offers solid specifications at a more affordable price. If you're looking for durability without sacrificing performance, this device might be the right choice for you. Starting with the design, the Air 3 is just 10.55 millimeters thick, which is impressive for a rugged phone. It boasts IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certifications, ensuring resistance to water, dust, and impacts. This means it can handle everyday wear and tear as well as more adventurous outings. Additionally, it's lighter and thinner than most rugged smartphones, making it more portable without compromising durability. And let's not forget the alarm lights on the back, which add a stylish and modern touch. Moving on to the display, the F150 Air 3 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. While it's a step back from the Air 2 Ultra, which has a 120 Hz AMOLED display with brightness up to 2,400 nits, the Air 3 screen doesn't disappoint. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is sufficient for use under direct sunlight, providing a pleasant visual experience for watching videos, gaming, or browsing the internet. In terms of performance, the Air 3 is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G96 processor, a mid-range chipset that offers 4G network support. It comes with 12 GB of RAM, plus an expandable 12 GB of virtual RAM, and 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. If you need a device for everyday use that won't let you down in terms of performance, the Air 3 fits the bill. Additionally, it runs Android 14, providing a modern and updated interface, and includes Wi-Fi 6 and NFC for easy payments and fast connections. Now, when we talk about cameras, the Air 3 boasts a main 100-megapixel sensor that impressively captures the details of your daily life. And it doesn't stop there. It also features a 20-megapixel night vision camera, perfect for photographing in low or no light environments. With OWL image technology, you can get clear images up to 20 meters away in the dark. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel camera that takes perfect selfies, ensuring you're always ready for any occasion. Regarding battery life, the F150 Air 3 has a 5,500 mAh battery that easily lasts an entire day of intense use. And when the battery runs out, the 30-watt fast charging means you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your smartphone. One of the coolest new features of the Air 3 is the dynamic island, inspired by functionality present in high-end smartphones like the iPhone. This interactive area transforms the front camera notch into a hub for notifications, alerts, and real-time activities. It enhances usability by allowing you to access information and controls quickly and intuitively without interrupting what you're doing. Besides being functional, it makes the interface more dynamic and visually appealing. In summary, if you're in search of a rugged, stylish smartphone packed with features, the Air 3 is an option worth considering. It balances performance, durability, and price. As of the time we're posting this video, it costs around $232. But remember that this price can change at any time. If you'd like to know more about this phone, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So, what do you think of the F150 Air 3? Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and the latest in the world of technology. See you next time!